Hi everyone, so I'm back to share another journal with you. This one is a design team project for ARTYmaze using her new Christmas Steampunk kit, which I will link below. You can find that on our Etsy store, but like I said, I will link that. So, there's a little hair there. Right, so it is a full-size kit and I've turned it into a traveller's notebook size by just folding pages and shrinking it down just a little bit. So the journal measures 7 3/4 by 4 1/4, one signature, 48 pages front and back, and it will be listed in my shop if you're interested. There will be a link, a direct link to this below in the description box. And I had all my dates modelled up. For some reason I have been a day ahead of myself for about 3 days, and I'd put that I had a sale in my shop, and I'd said yesterday it was the last day, the 29th, but actually today's the 29th. So anyway, the sale is still on, so there's a few journals left. Thank you to everyone who bought the other journals. They have all now been packed up and are going to the post office in the morning. So yeah, and this for today, which is the 29th, this will be on sale as well, and then back to normal. Right, so there's little bits of thread here that I need to kind of pull away. So that's just, that comes off, that's just to hold it closed. This is one of the background papers from the kit. I can't remember what I used. I think this might have been an envelope, because I did start this way back last week. I think it was Wednesday or Thursday, but I was been busy. I've been busy. So anyway, this is one of the pages. Love it. Love the I love steampunk, but it's always something that I struggle with. But there's a great amount of things in this kit, so you don't really need to struggle with it if that is a thing with you with certain kits. So how cute is that kitty? So we get postcards here. I think I've shrunk them down just a little bit as well, back them onto coffee dyed paper. And these are actually some of the pages which I printed two to a page, and then kind of chopped them up to make tags. Then I didn't have any stamps that were steampunky or anything like that, like cogs and clocks and things, but I did have some. I've put them away now. The Tim Holtz embossing folders, so I just inked them and then just kind of pressed them onto it. I didn't actually emboss it, although there is some embossed pieces in here. I'll show you that when I get to it. So yeah, that's what I done with them. Then here I made a little pocket, and then I popped this one on. How cute is that penguin? This is from one of ARTYmaze's other kits, which I think it's a Christmas collage kit, and then I'd shrunk these down a little bit from the Steampunk kit, and then I just pop them on the top. So we've got some layering and then some nice backgrounds there, and that goes there. Here I've just used my hang on a minute, my cat is about to stand on my keyboard. These are, what do you call them, clusters that I've been just making up. I glue them all together when I've got scraps, and then I leave them, and then I sew them all together, and then I just turn them into little things for journals. And funny enough, these ones were from Christmas scraps, so that was handy to use them in there. This is from one of ARTYmaze's kits as well, and that's just some cardstock, and then these are the journal cards from the kit. We have got some lined paper for journaling and a little piece of trim there. Some squared paper. I love that paper. I didn't like it at first, and now I think I'm more than halfway through using the paper pad, and I'll have to order some more. So here we have the penguin again. How cool. And penguin there, I didn't realise I'd done that. And then that is from one of ARTYmaze's other kits. This is one of the background pages from the kit, and it's got like trees, Christmassy trees when they're still in the field. Did that go there? I can't remember. No, it didn't. It came from there. The page just flipped over, I think. Yeah, that's what it was. I think that's like that. I'm all confused now. Beautiful. I love that, so that's why I used it on the front. Absolutely love that one. Got a little pocket there, and we have another double pocket here for a little journal card there, and then we have this journal card, or journal tag, some lined paper, some squared paper. Here we've got a tuck. You could glue that top and bottom and it could be a permanent pocket, but I've just left it as so. Little cluster here using little tickets from the kit. That was my embossing, which I backed it onto some coffee dyed paper, and then I'd coffee dyed the paper, and then I went over it with just like with my finger and some gold paint just to give it some shimmer. And that is an envelope with nothing in. Then that paper clip just kind of holds it all in place. Got another cluster here. We have got another postcard there, another tag there. Here we have a tag. I couldn't think what that was called then. Centre of the signature. That's that lovely paper. And beautiful. How cool is that? Another tag there with a kitty. And do you know what? My cat, she sits in the corner of this room on a bar stool, which has got a nice fluffy blanket on it for her, and she sleeps like all day. As soon as I turn the camera on, she's up, she's making a noise, her bell's going, her bell's jingling, she wants to come and see what I'm doing. But they do say, you know what, curiosity killed a cat. She is just such a pain in the butt at times as well. Another embossed thing. Yeah, as soon as I'm doing a video, it's like, okay, let's go and see what she's doing. Little pocket there, another little tag there, and another little, that's from the pages that I shrunk down, and that is ARTYmaze as well. So like I said, I will link this kit from ARTYmaze below in the description box. How cool is she? And you can go and check it out, and I will link this journal, which will be for sale in my shop, and check out, I'll link the other journals that are for sale when you click on my shop as well. Like if you click onto the journals that are for sale, if you scroll down on each one, you can watch the video on the screen from, like, it is a YouTube video, but it's there on the screen. You don't have to leave the page, which I think is pretty good on the Ko-fi site. There's another tag there. Love those baubles, they're so lovely, aren't they? Look, oh, gorgeous. And then here we've got a tag and a journal card. Okay, so there we have it. Another journal, and let's just wrap it around twice, tie it in a bow. There we go. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just ask, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.